Hi, this is Mary from VIPS TV. Today we are going to deal with the y sound in English. This sound seems to be easy in some languages, especially in Spanish, as I remember that for the double L sound, the double L letter in Spanish is pronounced y, right? So I think for people who speak Spanish, you don't have any problems with this sound. Now, just remember your sound. They are usually at the beginning of the word or maybe in the middle of the word, but the way they pronounce in each position is different. So now let's pay attention to this. Now, for the first and the second column, it is about the your sound at the beginning of the word. So now, the first column, you, yeah. For this sound, you don't need to pay attention to your tongue. This is your tongue. You don't have to do anything. Just yeah, yeah, yeah. Like the back of your tongue, maybe like you make it higher a little bit, like this, like. Okay, this is your tongue, okay, and the tip of your tongue, this is the back of your tongue. You just make it higher a little bit higher, like for example, yeah, yeah. So this is yeah, yeah. The tip of your tongue, you cannot touch the teeth or anything. Just yeah, yeah. Okay. You, your, yes, yes, year. This one, oops, oh, sorry, something wrong with the pronunciation. This is yell. This one, young. This long R, yard. This one, yarn. And this, yarn. This is long or yarn. And this one, yet. So one more time, quicker, huh? You, your, yes, year, yell, young, yard, yarn, yet. Now the second one, this one, yogurt. Yeah, this is short or gut. Yogurt. Now just remember, this is British English. For American English, people will pronounce this as yogurt. So yogurt or yogurt, the same, huh? This one, yoga. This one, yellow. This one, useful. Remember that L at the end, and before L is a consonant sound, we pronounce L sound just like O. So this is for useful. And this one, unit. And this one, Europe. This one, universe. This is long huh? So universe. This one, and for this one, this one, university. This one, united, or T, that is not stressed, we stress nine. T here is not stressed. We can pronounce like softly in American English, so you can pronounce united. United Kingdom, United States, huh? And this one, your. This is zh, huh? Zh. Remember, this is ya, and this is zh, huh? Your. Usually, or you can pronounce usually, or your. They are still okay. So usually. Remember the difference. This is ya, you, and this is your, huh? Usually, huh? So one more time. This is yogurt. British English, American English, yogurt. This one, yoga, yellow, useful, unit, Europe, universe, university, united or united. And this one, usually or usually. And let's go to the third column. This one. Remember the third and the fourth column. Here, ya is in the middle of the word. Remember, before ya is a consonant. We pronounce ya just like e sound, and e and u like this we pronounce just like you. So this is u and q. Cute, huh? Again, cute. This one, her, you, human. This is, yes, human. This one, you, new. This one, you, view. And this one, you, mute. Very easy to follow with IPA, right? And this one, her, you, huge. Remember D and J, like this we pronounce J, huh? Huge. You, do. And this one, you, fuel. And this one, pure. And this, music. So again, cute, human, new, view, mute, huge, due, fuel, pure, music. The last column. This one, beautiful. Now remember, we stress bu, so t. Here it is not stressed. You can pronounce the softer, like in American English, beautiful, huh? And this one, interview. And this one, this is computer. T here, not stressed. You can pronounce computer. American English, huh? This one, student. A student. That is British English. For American English, you can pronounce u. That is student. Stu or stew, the same. Student or student. Community. This one, popular. This one, January. Or remember, this is British English. For American English, this is airy. So January. British, January. American, January. This one, during. This one, nephew. And this, value. value. So as you can see, if y is in the middle of the word, you don't have to pay much attention to it. You just, but now it's like you or you, okay? And match it with the consonant before it. So just like you, q, hue, new, view, mute, or do, or few, or pew. Okay, very easy, huh? Now, nephew, this is value, value. So one more time, beautiful or beautiful, interview, computer, student or student, community, community, popular, January or January, during, nephew, value. Now the example. We have 3 examples, huh? My younger sister is a student at a famous university. Remember, a consonant sound and then a vowel sound, link them together. So is a student, student at, huh? My younger sister is a student at a famous university. My younger sister is a student at a famous university. Number 2, you should usually do yoga and eat yogurt every morning. You should usually do yoga and eat yogurt. Do yoga and eat yogurt every morning. You should usually do yoga and eat yogurt every morning. And number 3, the last one, huh? Does your nephew live in Europe or the United States or the United States? This is does your nephew live, link them together, live in. Does your nephew live in Europe or the United States? Does your nephew live in Europe or the United States? So that's our goodbye. See ya.